Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo Kim. In this video, I would like to show you how to do one sample sign test. A sign test is used to decide whether a binomial distribution has the equal chance of success or failure. I have prepared simple data. There are 15 samples. In our program, we can do sign test from descriptive tools library. We want to test whether true median is less than 25. According to these results, we can say that true median of this data is less than 25 because p-value is less than 5% significance level. Let me show you how to calculate some key R outputs in Excel. The null hypothesis is that true median equals 25. So we can use if function to say whether raw data is greater or less than median value. So if it is greater than median value, then let's give a sign, plus sign. If raw data is less than median value, then let's give a minus sign. If any conditions are not satisfied, then let's give a 0. Right. Right. There are minus observations, minus sign observations, and plus sign observations, and 0 sign observation. So in order to understand, let's calculate average of 15 samples and median. Right, median is less than average, right? Then let's calculate number of plus signs. So we can consider count if function, range, and plus sign. Right. For minus signs, right. So number of difference is sum of plus sign and minus sign, and small value is 3. So 3 small values and 14 number of differences, and the final step is to calculate p-value here. So we can think of binomial distribution, and there are 3 3 success, comma, and 14 trials, and probability is 0.5, comma, and cumulative. Alright, it's same as this p-value. So according to this R output and Excel output, we can say that we can reject null hypothesis. So it means that true median is less than 25. I hope it was useful for you to understand one sample sign test in R and in Excel. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.